Many seasoned truckers with a passion for the open road hit a different kind of roadblock. They dream of owning their rigs, picturing their names emblazoned on the side, a symbol of their hard work. They diligently save, but their credit scores often paint a bleak picture, a harsh reality for many truckers. Denied for loans, they feel the weight of financial uncertainty. This isn't just about a truck, it's about their future. Many truckers face unique financial challenges. The unpredictable nature of the job, coupled with fluctuating income, makes managing finances tricky. Credit issues can arise from missed payments, high debt ratios, or limited credit history. But the open road doesn't have to lead to a financial dead end. There's hope, and it starts with understanding the problem and taking control. Just as truckers navigate challenging routes, they can navigate the path to credit recovery. It's about making informed decisions, understanding the value of good credit, and accessing the right resources. It's about taking the wheel and steering towards a brighter financial future. This essay is a roadmap for truckers seeking credit recovery, offering practical solutions and real-life advice to help them regain control of their finances. It's about empowering truckers to overcome financial obstacles and achieve their dreams of financial security and independence. Life on the road can be unpredictable. Truckers often face inconsistent paychecks, making it tough to manage bills and payments. Unexpected repairs or downtime can lead to debt, impacting credit scores. Limited access to traditional banking services adds another layer of complexity. Building a solid credit history can be challenging for truckers who operate primarily on cash transactions. Without a credit card or loan history, lenders have little to base their decisions on, making it harder to secure financing. This can impact everything from securing loans to renting an apartment. Furthermore, predatory lending practices can trap truckers in a cycle of debt. High-interest loans or payday loans offer temporary relief but come with hefty costs, further damaging credit scores. Understanding these challenges is the first step towards overcoming them. By recognizing the unique financial hurdles they face, truckers can proactively seek solutions. Knowledge is power, and understanding the factors affecting their credit is crucial for taking control of their financial well-being. The first rule of credit recovery is simple: stop digging. Avoid taking on new debt while trying to repair your credit. This means resisting the temptation of quick fixes like payday loans or high-interest credit cards. Create a realistic budget and stick to it. Track your income and expenses diligently, identifying areas where you can cut back. Packing your own meals, finding affordable accommodation options, and minimizing unnecessary expenses can make a big difference. Consider consolidating your debt. If you have multiple high-interest debts, explore options like debt consolidation loans or balance transfers to lower your interest rates and simplify payments. This can free up cash flow and accelerate your debt payoff. Remember, getting out of debt requires discipline and commitment. Focus on making consistent, on-time payments towards your debts, even if they're small. Every payment you make is a step towards financial freedom. Start by getting organized. Gather all your financial documents, including bank statements, credit card bills, and loan agreements. Review them carefully to understand your current financial standing. Check your credit report regularly. You are entitled to a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus annually. Review your reports for any errors or inaccuracies and dispute them immediately. Create a budget that works for your lifestyle. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your income and expenses. Allocate funds for essential expenses, debt repayment, and savings goals. Make adjustments as needed to ensure you're living within your means. Set realistic financial goals. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a truck, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, having clear goals will keep you motivated and focused on your financial journey. Section 5. Shifting gears. Building a solid credit history. If you have limited credit history, consider secured credit cards. These cards require a security deposit, which typically serves as your credit limit. Use the card responsibly and make on-time payments to build a positive credit history. Become an authorized user on a responsible friend or family member's credit card. Their positive payment history will be reflected on your credit report, helping you build credit over time. However, ensure they have a good credit standing before proceeding. Consider a credit builder loan. These loans are designed to help individuals build credit. You make regular payments, which are reported to the credit bureaus, and receive the loan amount at the end of the loan term. Remember, building good credit takes time and consistency. Focus on making on-time payments, keeping your credit utilization low, and avoiding unnecessary credit applications. Patience and diligence are key to establishing a solid credit history. Seek guidance from a financial counselor. They can provide personalized advice on budgeting, debt management, and credit repair. Look for certified credit counselors who offer free or low-cost services. Consider joining trucking associations or groups. These organizations often offer resources and support for truckers, including financial literacy programs and access to financial professionals. Stay informed about industry trends and regulations. Changes in trucking regulations or economic conditions can impact your finances. Stay up to date to make informed decisions about your business and finances. Remember, you don't have to navigate this road alone. Seeking expert advice and connecting with others in the industry can provide valuable insights and support on your journey to financial well-being. Several organizations and websites offer free or low-cost resources for truckers seeking credit repair and financial guidance. The National Foundation for Credit Counseling provides credit counseling, debt management plans, and financial education resources. The American Trucking Association offers resources for truckers, including information on financial management, insurance, and legal assistance. Their website provides access to industry news, regulations, and advocacy efforts. Online resources like MyFICO and Credit Karma offer free credit scores, credit monitoring, and personalized recommendations for improving your credit health. These platforms can help you track your progress and identify areas for improvement. Take advantage of these readily available resources to gain knowledge, access tools, and connect with professionals who can guide you on your credit recovery journey. Empower yourself with information to make informed financial decisions. Credit recovery is a journey, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and a commitment to making positive financial choices. Embrace the process, celebrate small victories, and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Remember, your credit score is a reflection of your financial habits. By adopting responsible financial practices, you can build a brighter financial future. Start with small, achievable steps and gradually work your way towards your goals. Focus on building a solid foundation for long-term financial success. Create a budget, track your expenses, and make consistent payments towards your debts. As you progress, you'll gain confidence and momentum. You have the power to change your financial trajectory. Take control of your finances 1 mile at a time and pave the way for a more secure and prosperous future. Imagine Jake, a year later, behind the wheel of his own rig. His dream, once clouded by credit worries, is now his reality. He achieved this through hard work, financial discipline, and the empowerment of knowledge. This is the power of credit recovery. It's not just about numbers, it's about achieving financial freedom, security, and peace of mind. It's about unlocking opportunities and building a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. The road to credit recovery is within reach for every trucker. By understanding the challenges, embracing the solutions, and accessing the right resources, you can take control of your financial destiny. Start your journey today and experience the transformative power of financial well-being. Remember, the open road represents freedom and opportunity. Let's ensure your financial journey reflects the same spirit, leading you towards a brighter and more secure future. You've got this.